So today we're going to talk about claims. We're going to answer these three questions, not necessarily in this order. So what does a good claim do? How do I write a good claim? And why is a claim important? So to start with why it's important, this is an excerpt from the MCAP information writing rubric. I would encourage you to pause for a second to read it carefully. What makes a claim important? Well, when we're looking at this rubric language, you'll notice that there are several components that connect directly to what a claim is. So let's start here. A full and complete understanding of ideas in the text by providing an accurate analysis. That analysis is going to be in your claim. Supported with effective and convincing textual evidence. Well, your evidence can't be effective if it has nothing to do with your claim. If it examines and conveys complex ideas, concepts, and information clearly and accurately through selection, organization, and analysis of the content, part of that organization and analysis is going to come and be reflected directly in your claim. Clear and coherent writing with the development, organization, and style being appropriate to task, purpose, and audience, all of that is going to come from that prompt, from your claim, that answer to the prompt, the organization of your paragraphs. And we'll talk much more about this one, but this bullet point is very heavy in claim. The ideas being presented clearly and logically from beginning to end, well, it can't be clearly and logical if it doesn't start with a good claim. Having connections between ideas, that's going to come starting with your claim. So from this alone, you can see how important a claim is to your writing. What does a good claim have? Well, it has these four things. It has your answer to the prompt. It has reasons from your analysis. So these reasons in your claim do not come from the text. They come from your head. There has to be a because or a by to separate the answer to the prompt, the reasons in your analysis, and the language that you might put from the prompt in your claim. And it needs to be one sentence long. The longer your claim, the more sentences your claim is, the longer your essay writing is. So if you're writing a 2 or a 3 sentence claim, then your paper is going to be 4 or more pages. A good claim, as we've already said, it addresses the prompt, but it'll also answer all parts of that prompt. So it's very important to do your claim frame and your pre-writing. It will organize the body paragraphs. So those reasons, those things after the because or the by, become the topic sentences of those body paragraphs. So whatever order you list them in your claim is the order that your essay goes in. And that claim must be the last sentence of your introduction. So it's at the end of your first paragraph. It will never be the first sentence of your essay. So how do I do that? Friends, you have to really read the text. You have to really think about the text. You have to notice things about the text. We're practicing those strategies in class if you are actually practicing the reading part. And then you use the language from the prompt and fill in the blanks in your claim frame, which is from your pre-writing. So how do I create a claim? Well, you're going to have to understand the text and understand the prompt. If you don't understand both of them, then you're not going to be able to write a very good claim. So I would encourage you to review this again and add to your notes about your claims.